The Ventrac mount system on the 4000 series tractor is the key element in the Ventrac's versatility. The Ventrac mount system allows a person to quickly and easily switch attachments. Several attachments require special instructions to facilitate easier attaching and detaching. Refer to that attachment's operator's manual for information to instruct you in performing this procedure. For all attachments, it is recommended to have the neutral assist lever in the on position while attaching and detaching.
It is important to remember that how and where an attachment is removed is important to a quick and easy reattachment. An uneven surface where the attachment leans one way and the tractor another will make it more difficult for the arms to align. Also, many Ventrac attachments have wheels on the front, which allows the attachment to roll forward as shown here. When attempting to engage the hitch, it is best to block the wheels to keep the attachment from rolling forward. It may also be helpful to observe an experienced operator attach the attachment to see the proper sequence taking place.
We will demonstrate by attaching a 4500 tractor to an HM602 mower deck and a KV552 V-blade.
Attaching an HM602 mower deck.
For attaching to the mower, make sure the tractor and the attachment are on a level surface. Set the height selector lever to the highest position. Ensure that the attachment locking lever is in the unlocked or up position by lifting the safety lock and sliding the attachment locking lever to the left and lifting.
Start the tractor and lower the front hitch arms to the lowest position. Drive forward to engage the tractor front hitch into the mower arms. Once the tractor hitch has moved past the lifting tabs on the mower hitch arms as shown here, stop forward movement and raise the front lift until the tractor hitch and mower arms are parallel with each other. Continue forward movement while at the same time ensuring that the attachment arms enter into the space between the hitch arm and the locking hook as shown here. A small side-to-side rotation of 2 or 3 inches of the steering wheel will cause the front hitch to move left and right. This will assist in aligning the arms to engage into the final location so the locking hooks can be rotated down over the attachment hitch pins, locking the attachment to the tractor. After the locking hooks have been engaged, engage the parking brake and turn off the engine. Dismount from the tractor and move to the front of the tractor. Release the PTO belt tensioner rod by pulling out. Remove the belt from the retainer on the mower deck and place it in the front groove of the tractor PTO drive pulley as shown. Tighten the PTO belt by pushing in on the belt tensioner rod. Set the mower height selector lever into the desired position.
Move to the seat, engage the seat belt, and start the tractor. With the park brake in the park position, set the weight transfer system if equipped. To set the amount of weight transfer, fully raise the front hitch to release any tension on the weight transfer spring. Lift the weight transfer lever and place in the desired location.
Now you are ready to start mowing operations. For removing the mower.
To remove the mower, park the tractor and mower on a level surface.
Releasing the weight transfer will improve the ease of attachment separation. To set the weight transfer to 0, Fully raise the front hitch to release any tension on the weight transfer spring. Lift the weight transfer lever and place in the 0 position.
Lower the attachment to the ground and place the taller SDLA lever in the float position.
Turn off the engine.
Dismount the tractor. Go around the mower and release the PTO belt tensioner rod by pulling out. Belt and pulley may be hot. Use caution when removing.
Remove the drive belt and loop it over the belt retainer hook as shown.
Push in the PTO belt tensioner to ensure that the PTO drive pulley is in a locked position and raise the mower cutting height to the highest setting. Move to the seat and engage the seat belt.
Release the attachment locking lever by lifting the safety lock and sliding the attachment locking lever to the left and lifting. Restart the tractor and slowly back away from the attachment. Attaching the KV552 V-blade. The procedures for attaching the V-blade to the tractor are similar to the mower and many other attachments. For proper attaching to the V-blade, it should be setting on a level surface. Ensure that the attachment locking lever is in the unlocked or up position. Lower the front hitch and drive the tractor forward and engage the front hitch into the blade's hitch arms. Push the hitch lock lever down over the attachment hitch pins, locking the attachment to the tractor. Engage the parking brake, dismount, and walk around the blade. Always wipe the hose ends to remove dirt before coupling to the tractor. Attach them to the quick couplers by pulling back the ring on the tractor coupler and inserting the hose into the coupler and pushing the ring forward to its original position. Connect the hoses and quick couplers so the red indicators are paired together and the yellow indicators are paired together. Reversing the hoses at the coupler will change the direction the lever needs to be moved to activate the blade. Pressure buildup in the attachment hose and the power unit couplers may occur, causing difficult installation of hoses. If hoses do not easily connect, try one of the following steps. While the engine is still turned off, move the secondary lever of the SDLA right and left to release pressure in the power unit's hydraulic circuit. To release pressure in the attachment hose, loosen one of the hose ends and retighten when pressure is released.
Use caution when releasing pressure in the attachment hose line.
Connect the 12-volt plug to the 12-volt front outlet on the tractor. After ensuring proper hose and electrical connection, route the attachment hoses through the hose retainer bracket of the tractor as shown. Move to the tractor, engage the seatbelt, and start the tractor. Verify that the V-blade is functioning properly by moving the secondary lever of the SDLA right and left. Activate the 12-volt switch on the primary SDLA lever, and by moving the secondary lever of the SDLA right and left, you will ensure proper operation of your V-blade. Once proper operation is confirmed, you are ready to start your next job. For removing the KV552 V-blade.
To remove the V-blade, park the tractor and attachment on a level surface.
Releasing the weight transfer will improve the ease of attachment separation. To set weight transfer to 0, Fully raise the front hitch to release any tension on the weight transfer spring. Lift the weight transfer lever and place in the 0 position. Turn the engine off and lower the attachment to the ground, and put the primary SDLA lever in the float position. Move the auxiliary lever back and forth several times to remove oil pressure to the attachment hoses. Dismount and walk around the view blade. Disconnect the electrical plug and hoses. Wipe them clean of oil and dirt and place them in the storage position, keeping them out of the dirt. Replace the dirt protective plugs on the tractor couplers, wiping away any oil and dirt. Start tractor. Release the attachment locking lever and back away from the attachment. Using a slight side-to-side movement of the steering wheel will improve the ease of attachment separation.
This concludes the attaching section of this program. It is recommended that after reading and understanding the operator's manual, practice by driving the tractor with an attachment on a level surface to become familiar with the controls, their operation, and the response of the articulating frame and steering. Give yourself ample time to know the tractor before you begin performing your tasks. For additional information, technical specifications, or training resource information for all Ventrac equipment, see ventrac.com/support. We trust this program will make your Ventrac experience a safe, enjoyable, and productive one. For more information about Ventrac, see your authorized Ventrac dealer or visit us at ventrac.com.
Ventrac, your one tractor solution. Watch more of Ventrac in action by clicking on a link below, or subscribe to our channel and get the newest video releases.